Alright guys, in this video we want to work on the messaging. Okay, so we can now set users. I've reset the server so there's no users connected, and we're going to go to server.js, and let's go right here above the disconnect, and this is going to be really simple. We're just going to say socket.on, and let's call this send message. Okay, and that's going to take data, and then we're just going to do io.sockets.emit, and we're going to emit show message, and we're going to pass along an object with the message, which will be the data, and then we also want to send the user, which will be socket.username. Okay, so we'll send along an object. Let's go ahead and save that, and then we're going to go to our client, to our main.js, and we want to do our chat form submit. Okay, so let's take that chat form variable and say dot on submit. And we're going to prevent default just like we did here. Alright, and let's do socket.emit. And we want to emit send message, and we're going to send message.val, which is the text area. Alright, and then let's just clear the message as well, so we'll say message.val, set it to nothing. Alright, so it's as simple as that to send a message. Now we also need to show the message, so let's say socket.on show message. Okay, remember we're getting data from the server, which is going to be the message and the username. So let's take the chat window and append to it. Let's put in some strong tags, and this will be where we put the user, the username. So that we'll get that from data.user. Okay, then we'll concatenate here the message, data.msg. Okay, and then we'll just put a line break. Save that, and let's give it a shot. So we'll say Brad. Let's see. Actually, do I have the chat window div? No, I don't. It's not we got to put the chat window for the messages to actually show. So that's going to go right here. Actually, we're going to go back one, right? Yeah. So chat window will also give it a class of well. Alright, and I'm just going to restart the server. Okay, so there we go. Alright, so now let's open up another client, and we'll join as John. You can see Brad's in there, and we'll say hello Brad. Let's go back over to Brad's window. You can see John's message. We'll say, hi John. Go back over to John and you can see Brad's message. Alright, so we're now having a chat conversation. Alright, so there's a lot more you could do with this application, but I just wanted to get you familiar with Socket.io. I don't want to make it too advanced, but that's going to be it. Alright, so we now have a simple chat, and I will see you in the next project.